Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, aka Jaylana. I think the background music is a little bit too loud, so let me go lower that. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can still hear it, but if not, oh well, or I'll put it like in the back or whatever. But today's video is going to be about my top 3 favorite products to lay my edges, my baby hairs, all of the above. So I have 3 products that are under $10. So one is $5, one is $5.99, and one is $7.99 or something like that. These products are pretty inexpensive, but you know, I'm still cheap and trying to find things under $5, but being natural is very expensive. And if you guys are wondering how I got my hair like this, it ain't mine, it's clippings. I also did a video on that, and it is on my channel, so you can go ahead and look that. I'll link it in the description box. But without further ado, I'll bring you the products that I love. The first one we have is, of course, Eco Styling Gel. I love the red top. I used to use a green top when I started natural. That's the olive oil one. But I don't know, I just love argan oil more for my hair, so this is the one I go with. It's my go-to. I use it every time I'm doing a sleek style, and there's really hardly ever a time where I don't do a sleek style. Like, if I don't do a sleek style, it's because I'm lazy. But normally, 95% of the time, I'm always slicking my hair up, back, down, side, whatever. Well, there's been a lot of controversy about this product. I will say that it does give you symptoms that aren't really healthy. Normally when I put this in my hair, I get allergies, and that's one of the symptoms from one of the ingredients in here. But I also think like my allergies act up during the seasons too, so in the summer it got really bad like recently, but we'll see how I am tonight. It's really bad at nighttime, but that's not gonna stop me from slicking these edges. I'm telling you that. Once I see some hair loss, and I don't know, the headscarf has been giving me headaches, so I take it off. But I don't sleep with my headscarf. I use a satin pillowcase. But yeah, I don't know if the headache is from this or my headscarf. So I think it could be both, or I'm still trying to figure that out myself. But until I see some major damage from this, I'm going to stop using it. But I don't even see damage. It's just like respiratory damage, I guess. That doesn't sound any better. Sorry guys. I'm just saying I'm gonna say my edges either way. My next favorite product is the Passionfruit Curl Control Paste by Curls. I love this product. It's really on the expensive side for me for this small bottle. So I'm trying to look for new products that are like more less expensive but have more product in it. Like, and the product is bigger, like the bottle size, or what's this called? It's not even a bottle. I forget what this is called. Anyway. Yeah, I really love this product. I always use this first on dry hair. My hair works best on dry hair. Like, if I use wet hair, my hair ain't gonna lay. It's not. But dry hair, I use this first, and then I go on with Eco Styling Gel, and I do my edges and stuff like that. I only use Eco Styling Gel like by itself on my baby hairs. Anything else, no. And lastly, if I don't have the Passionfruit Curl Control Paste, I use the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges. I know y'all probably know what this looks like. I'll try and slide it somewhere, but this is also a very small bottle, and it's like $5 but I really like it. I think it probably lays better than the Passionfruit Curl Control Paste. It holds really well, and it shines. So I think any edge control kind of like shines, but yeah. None of these products make my edges flake up. I don't use a lot. I don't use a lot. Today you can look. I used it's not as sleek as I want it to be, but it's good enough just for whatever, because this is kind of a week old, so it's not going to be as sleek as it was when I first did it. But oh well, I'm okay with it. I'm actually not like trying to perfect my sleek styles anymore. Actually, that's a lie, but only when it comes to stuff like this. If I'm barely sleeking anything, then this part can be a little frizzy, look just some natural, I don't know. But I don't mind frizz or flyaways. I do sometimes, but lately I haven't been. Lastly, those are my top 3 favorite products, but another top favorite that I do definitely have to mention to you guys. I've always wondered, like, because I'm a hairstylist, I wonder how people got their feed-in braids so like neat and so shiny. You know what? I finally started watching them videos and I figured out that Shine and Jam was that product. Shine and Jam will hold your hair like no other. Like, it's literally just the bigger versions of these, almost better. Like, I don't understand why people aren't bringing that up. And I looked at the ingredients. There's nothing in there that like is startling or anything. So I really like that product, and I'm probably going to start using that more often on myself. I've been using it for my clients, and it's been holding their hair very, very well. So I'll insert some pictures of my clients so you can see what I've been working with and how that product has been working for my clients' hair. Some of them are washed, some of them are blow dry. If you guys want to see more videos like this, to see more of my top favorite products for natural hair or even makeup, anything, shoot, lotions, whatever, I can show you what my top favorite products are. Just make sure you comment down below, and yeah, all the products that I listed will be in the description box, and the link to this hair and the tutorial will be in the video, in the description box. And yeah, follow me on my social medias at LovelyJaylana, Instagram, and then do I have anything else? No, just subscribe. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you. Bye.